The Barbara Experimental Mine was founded in 1925 and is the oldest part of the Central Mining Institute. The mine conducts research on gas and dust hazards in various industries. The experimental facilities of the mine are used in equipment certification procedures. The Barbara mine is the only subterranean testing ground in Europe. It has been adapted to carry out large-scale gas and dust explosion tests and to test new technologies, machines and equipment for underground work under real conditions. The underground excavations are equipped with a network which monitors the parameters of the ongoing experiments. Its prorate configuration enables research in the fields of mining, fire, construction, civil defense, and others to be conducted. The assessment of the effectiveness of the dusting installations and measurements of dustiness at workstations are carried out in the Barbara mine. Specialized metering equipment allows all standard parameters of the flammability and explosiveness of industrial dust, such as pigment dust, cornstarch, or coal dust, to be found. Large-scale tests allow the explosive properties of dust, gases, and flammable liquids to be evaluated. Their purpose is to also assess the effectiveness of system protecting industrial installations against the effects of an explosion. Methane is one cause of major mining disasters and one of the most active greenhouse gases. The Barbara mine is properly equipped to conduct the analysis and prediction of the methane hazards and develop methods for the eradication of it in active and abandoned mine. It is important to find an economic use for methane. Work in this area takes place within the framework of the International Center of Excellence on Coal Mine Methane, established under the auspices of the European Economic Commission for the United Nations. Experts of Central Mining Institutes in the Barbara mine use their expertise to certify blasting agents and equipment for civilian use. A modern bunker has been adapted for tests on the blasting properties of explosives. The experimental shaft is used for safety tests on coal dust or methane in relation to explosive detonating cords or electric detonators. The Conformity Assessment Body of the Central Mining Institute carries out conformity assessments using the ATEX directive and the IECEx scheme for electrical and non-electrical equipment and protective systems designed to operate in potentially explosive atmosphere. The assessment is based on the results of tests carried out in the laboratories operating in the Barbara mine. The laboratories of Central Mining Institute are accredited by the Polish Center for Accreditation and the IECEx system for testing equipment and protective systems using mixtures of explosive gases and flammable liquid vapors. Thanks to its modern testing stations, the mine conducts research on devices intended for mining and other industries, including chemical, shipbuilding, and petrochemical industries.